we want to start putting the manure, the poultry. Oh yeah, so this is, you can see this is composted goat dung. Yeah, must spread this. Spread this. So this is, we are adding goat dung. Yeah, it was. So we are adding it to supply it manure. This is preparation for raised bed. We are preparing raised bed right here. We are preparing raised bed. We are preparing a nursery bed. We want to nurse. Okay. So you can see the chicken feathers from their waist and every other thing. So we're preparing a raised bed, a nursery bed where we want to transplant. So we do like this. Now this is called linear system. Word of B finger, but you understand? All like we meeting money moji for you that, eh? Nela ma fi see this. Nela ma fi see. So this is a linear system of planting.